On today's Tuesday Talk, we are answering a question from a viewer about what we do in our daily routines that we do not film and that you do not see on camera.
For me, it's very boring. I sit in front of the computer a lot because I maintain a blog, I'm editing video for this channel, I'm actually starting a new web project now that I'm devoting a lot of time to. So there's always something going on with the computer with me. When we're around a gym in the morning, an hour and a half, I'll be there to include the shower. So there is my fitness routine when I can do it. When there's not a gym, walking outside. In fact, we just got back from a walk right before we recorded this. So there's that too. Yes. So really, it's the complete opposite for me. I'm either sitting sedentary, doing nothing physical, and it's all online.
It's all mental.
Or, yeah, I'm totally mental. Or I am doing nothing mental and it's all physical, just kind of mindless physical activity. So for me, it's actually quite not interesting.
Or you're sleeping.
Yeah, we don't record us when we're sleeping.
For me, it's similar. I spend quite a bit of time on my computer as well, scheduling videos, answering questions, responding to emails, working on the course, everything like that. And then also planning. I need to plan where we're gonna stay full time, our routes, all of the places we wanna go, everything we talk about in the course. I have to stay on top of that since our entire life is in the Airstream moving around. So that takes up quite a bit of my time. I also have to cook. So I cook lunch and dinner every day. We don't tend to eat breakfast. And we don't do like sandwiches very often. So we tend to actually cook lunch and dinner every day. And plan for groceries, go grocery shopping, you know, fun stuff like that. And happy hour. Happy hour is always a favorite time of day. We sometimes
do
film
record
that.
those occasionally.
Yeah, we do.
Especially when there's a campfire
or something
with happy hour.
Or something beautiful behind us or something.
Sort of like where we are now.
Yeah. And so my day will be all of those things I said up until 5 o'clock, which is happy hour. And then it'll be happy hour time. And then I will cook dinner, and we will eat dinner, and we will clean up, and then I'm done for the night. Steve will often continue working at night on his passion projects, doing stuff, especially if there's hookups, right?
Especially if there's hookups. But even if there's not hookups, I'll whip out the Chromebook, which needs very little power. So I'll just work on that. I can't get my external monitor. First world problems. Yeah. But
meanwhile, yeah. I will stream something on YouTube and knit, or I'll read a book. But after I cook and clean up from dinner, we're done. I'm done. That's the end of my night. So that's happy hour is kind of like the time where I'm like, yes, done with everything. Time for happy hour. But
let's drink.
Yeah.
Let's drink
and relax for the rest of the evening.
There you go. Yep.
So we pretty much film anytime we go out and do anything interesting or fun. We might go to the grocery store, or to the gym, or to get diesel or something like that, Costco, without you guys. But we figure that's not as interesting. I know a lot of you actually like to see our everyday lives, and so maybe we'll try to include more daily routine, what a day looks like when we're doing fun stuff, what a travel day looks like, I don't know. If that sounds interesting to you, leave a comment and kind of what you'd like to see in a day in the life video, I guess. And maybe we can try to make that happen.
Get ready to be bored to tears.
There'll be a lot of time lapses of us both of our computers.
Pretty much.
Except we don't actually go like this. But that would be, it would be hard.
I keep my head still.
Yeah, it'd be hard.
My fingers move, but that's about it.
So hopefully that answered your question. If you have a question for a future Tuesday Talk, please leave it in the comments below. Like this video if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you next time.
Next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.